Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error 87 on your DISM. Okay, first of all you have to update your Windows, so you press Windows plus I and go to update and security, go to Windows update and check out if there is any updates on your Windows to make. Okay, once you do this you can refresh your PC. Okay, another thing, you can just scan any problems on your files in your Windows. Okay, so just go to search bar, look for prompt and type sfc / give some space and just write scan now. You just press enter and run to see if there are any file mistakes, any misunderstood on the files in your Windows. Okay, another thing is try to check with your antivirus of your Windows if you have some malware, some suspicious software or file in your system. Okay, so just press Windows I again and go to not Windows Update this time, you go to security of Windows and you just run your Windows Defender or your Kaspersky or AVG or whatever antivirus you have. Another thing is go to your search bar and try to look for service. Okay, just type service, you open. Once you open, you just go to Windows Modular Installer. Okay, you just open, and if it's manual you try to switch to automatic. Okay, and you just go apply and okay and just start on this button right here, just start. Once you do this you might wish for refresh your computer again, and after that, that's it. Doing all these things you might be able to fix this error 87 on your computer. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.